Today, I am happy to share this good news with everybody in estate that Trustpilot have rated estate 4.5 over 5.0 stars. That means estate has been rated as excellent platform. However, what does this really mean to ordinary people in estate? Let's find out what that means. But before we go to check the details of all of these ratings, let us look at Trustpilot. In the first instance, you can see that so far only 17 reviews have been done on estate. Estate is a very large community, and it's only 17 people actually that have managed to leave reviews. I have been telling my team members to come to Trustpilot to leave review for estate, honest review about their experience in estate. So some of them have done that, because when I went through these 17 reviews, I discovered that most of them are from my team. And this video is to encourage other community members in estate to come to Trustpilot and leave, your own review. Okay, let it be honest. Don't be influenced by anybody. Just make your honest review using your own language. All right. Now, let's look at this. 4.5 over 5. That is big thing for anybody, right? There is a button here for you to leave a review if you want to write your own review. And then there is a button here for you to go to the website. Okay, so what I want to do right now is I want to check what does it mean for a platform to have 4.5 star rating in Trustpilot. So let's dive down to Google. This is easy. Anybody can do this. I just went to Google and I typed in this. What does it mean to have 4.5 rating on Trustpilot? It's that easy. Just type it up and then you will see what Google is going to tell you. What does it say here? Google said a 4.5 rating on Trustpilot signifies an excellent reputation. And you can see that the excellent reputation has been highlighted in bold. That is all that matters right now. So for those of you that are still sitting on the fence, this is the right time for you to take advantage of this review and join estate. They went further to say it indicates that the vast majority of customers have had highly positive experiences, making the business highly trustworthy. Consumers generally view this score as a strong indicator of reliability, consistent service, and good customer support. There you go. So those are the keywords that I usually have in my videos. Reliability, consistency, right? I have been using those words. I have been using trustworthiness. I have been using integrity of estate. So this is huge for everybody in estate. If you don't know, then after watching this video, make up your mind to join estate. If you are already in estate and you have not gone to Trustpilot to leave your own honest review, remember, nobody is forcing you to do this. Do it at your own time. But when you are doing it, make sure you are leaving honest review. Whether it is positive, negative, not so good, whatever, just come here and leave your review. Because I know that 99.9% of estate members, they have positive review about estate, a platform that has never failed one single day to process withdrawal. A platform that you wake up, your money is there. Your daily rental profit is there for you to withdraw. And when you click the button to withdraw, boom, the money is there. So what other review do you think you are going to leave when you go to Trustpilot? It's going to be positive review, right? So again, this is great. And this is the back office of eEstate where you will be able to join today. You will have this same landing page for your eEstate when you register today with the link below this video description, and then you can now purchase your fractional real estate. You can use this calculator on my right hand side to decide how much you want to use to purchase your fractional real estate, and then of course the profit calculator will automatically tell you and calculate how much you are likely going to be receiving on a daily basis and also on a monthly basis, and even on the 18 months phase 1 income model that you are going to be on when you join. And then after that, it will default to the passive phase where you are going to be receiving 10% every year. So if you would like to join eEstate, the link to do so is below this video description. When you join, come to this profit calculator, please, and use this profit calculator. They have, about 13, maybe 12 fractional real estates that you can take part in. You can purchase a fraction of. Okay, they have the apartment in Miami, they have the apartment, they have lake house, they have house, they have desert villa, they have villa Mau, they have all of these, right? Up to business development, the big ones. The development and the business development, those ones are the big ones, right? Now, for apartment in Miami and for eEstate as a company, they have made it possible for anybody to start eEstate with as little as $10. As little as $10, you can get into eEstate and start watching and looking at what they are doing. Then when you are comfortable enough with your $10, you know that your $10 is making your daily income without failure. You can now go and upgrade the apartment or upgrade your portfolio by going to either desert villa, okay, $1,000 to purchase a fraction of this. The minimum is $1,000. You can play with this figure, right? You can change this to 10,000 if you want to put in 10,000. That will give you about $1,000 on average floating rate monthly, and you will get about $52 every day. This is great. Okay, so you can play with this figure. Even the one they told you that you are going to start with $10, you can put $1,000 there, right? If you wish to do that. But be mindful when you are putting like 1,000 into apartment Miami, because if you look at the monthly averaging profit here is $88 for if you put 1,000 in the apartment Miami. But if you go to, for example, the desert villa and put 1,000, you will notice that you are going to be earning more. So be careful when you are putting more money into all this platform. Use the profit calculator to check each of these buildings, okay? Each of these properties, each of these tokenized properties. Check them, the minimum, and then if you want to, like, for example, if you want to put like 700 here, you can change this to 700, okay? And knowing fully well that the next one after 700 will be like $1,000, which is like this one, the desert villa that I showed you earlier. So you can play with the figures, okay? Play with the amount, and then that will now allow the profit calculator to recalculate the amount you are going to be earning on average monthly and the amount you are going to be earning on average daily. And then you will not be able to make that decision before you even deposit money and begin to purchase that particular property, guys. So, guys, I am happy that eEstate has been rated as excellent, okay, on Trustpilot, and I want more people in eEstate to come back here and leave reviews. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for coming to listen to me on this excellent results that we are getting from Trustpilot as a result of people being satisfied with what eEstate is offering them and the services that they are providing. So if they sound like something you would like to join, to get some passive income, the link to do so is below this video description. There is Zoom meeting presentation every day in e-estate, Mondays to Sundays, every single day. 7 days a week, we have Zooms every single day. So you can hook up and join one of those Zooms, or you can even join all of them on a daily basis if you wish to learn very fast and, get yourself used to the business, know what the business is all about, and see how you can benefit from the business. That's what matters. It's all about education. When you get educated, you learn more, you know about the business, you know how to maximize the profits that you can get from e-estate, and then boom, you excel. So guys, thank you once more. The link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.